y'all, I am out here at Water Country USA in Williamsburg, Virginia. This is Busch Gardens Water Park. We're going to take a tour around. I've had several videos on Water Country that I have shared. Let's go take a walk around and show you some of the attractions and the dining locations, just so you will know how to plan your day at Water Country USA in Williamsburg, Virginia. Once you come in the entry gate, I do want to make a note that they are cashless, so you will have to have a card or transfer some money over to a card. You have the Welcome Center when you first come in. Over here to the left as you walk in, you've got Colossal Curl. It is a raft ride. It fits up to 4 people, but it depends on the weight. And you cannot ride single rider on this ride. Now, this Colossal Curl will open in the mornings earlier than the rest of the park by a few minutes. So if you want to, what we do is a lot of times we come in, drop our stuff down, and before we go get our seats, and we take a ride on Colossal Curl. It is a morning wake-up call, as we call it, when you come in. So it's a really fun raft ride, but it is kind of intense. As we continue around from Colossal Curl, we've got the locker rentals, bathrooms, we have Daddy-O's, the dock bar, some places to eat and drinks, have your park map over here. We have wipeout gifts and apparel, along with drink stands, snacks. You can get quick queues here to help you skip some of the lines for the water slides. They can be purchased online or in here. We have the Catalina Grill here. If I'm not mistaken, we don't eat here at the park a lot, but if I'm not mistaken, that is burgers. If we can find the menu here, let's see what they have. They have, there's the sides and beverages. Yeah, they've got burgers, chicken tenders, pizza, chicken nuggets, hot dogs, and a salad, along with the sides. And this is Catalina Grill. Places over here to eat once you grab your food, and there's only a couple of attractions back this way, but I'll walk back here and show those as well. They do have Wild Thing back here, which is one of our favorite slides. It is closed today. We do have the video for this, an on-ride video on our channel and everything. You can ride single or double on it when it is open. And boy, I'm glad we come back here this morning and rode Riptide Race first thing, because look at the line now. So this is the new attraction that was last year in 2023. It opened. We made a good choice this morning. So just a note, if you don't want to ride Colossal Curl and you want to ride Riptide Race, and you may have time to do both first thing, we came back here and we walked straight up this morning, and it is very crowded today now. You can ride single rider on this. It is a racing tube slide, so you kind of go wrap around and pass by each other. There's open spots where you can see where your opponent is that you're racing, but it's really fun. They took out the Rampage last year, or well, took the Rampage out the year before and opened up Riptide Race last year. Now these are the only 2 things that are back in this little nook. You got Wild Thing, Riptide Race. So we're going to head around toward the wave pool. We are back around here to Catalina Grill and continuing around to the wave pool. The Surfers Bay, I guess is what it's called here, maybe. I think that's what it is, yeah. Because there's a Surfers Bay bar and the wave pool. Now this wave pool that they have here is one of the ones that has continuous waves throughout the time frame.
Give me your shoes, got 12 seconds.
So you've got the little countdown. Everybody's counting down right now. They're pretty full. So Here we go with wipeout. So then it looks like it'll go for 8 minutes and it takes a break. There are cabanas around the Surfers Bay that you can rent and places to get drinks. There's a bar up there. Exiting from the Surfers Bay area, we are going to continue around here back into another little nook. Well, I'll go ahead and show you. There's the splash pad there. This was new, maybe within the last year or two, they opened up this new splash pad. It is called Little Surfer Splash Pad. I won't exactly walk down through there since it is a kids section. I try to stay away from the videoing in the kids section if I can help it. But yeah, there's the Little Surfers Splash Pad. And like I said, the wave pool is right over there. And let's go back. This is a little dead end back here as well, but a little nook, as I call it, back here, that is Rock and Roll Island. The lazy river is back here, along with some body slides. We have some restrooms back here. Keep in mind the Rock and Roll Island doesn't open till 12, so if you get here at opening, you won't be able to get back here to Rock and Roll Island. But yeah, they do have the lazy river here, which has the tubes. Looks like they have a little kid slide over there, and then they have these body slides. Looks like 3 tube slides. Doesn't look like they're open today, but another things for the kids to do, and just a regular swimming pool. They do have plenty of park maps around the park to help you find everything that you are looking for. So be sure to check those out if you need some help. But right now, let's see, where are we? I have to find my place here. We are right back there at the Rock and Roll Island. So we're going to go back by the little splash pad, Cabanga, and the Nitro racers. And I have to come over here and show you the Big Daddy Falls and Malibu pipeline. And then we're heading back to Hubba Hubba Highway. I just want to make note here while we're walking by the little surfer splash pad and making our way back. There are plenty of shaded areas in this water park as well. So again, just like Busch Gardens theme park, the water park is just as beautiful. Right beside the little splash pad, little surfer splash pad, we have the Cabanga area. It has a couple of tube slides here for the kids. Kids can ride, adults can ride with the kids, I do believe, if they're how small they are, I'm sure. But another little kiddie area. So there's plenty for your small kids to do here as well. Moving on around, there are more restrooms around here. There's the Boardwalk Southwest Grill. Also, we have Jet Scream over here. This one is another one of your, I call them just, I guess just old school water slides. It's single rider tube. Right there are the tubes. And let me say, these things do get pretty wild, I have to say. Tyler can definitely get his going pretty good. And just beware, you probably land in about 3 foot of water. And you can tip over. There's a possibility you end up tipping over, but not always. So these are some of our favorites. Starting here from the Jet Scream, I'm going to have to backtrack just a little bit to go up to Malibu Pipeline, which it just depends on which way you go once you enter the park as far as what you're going to come to first. If you've gone to the left, you're going to go toward the wave pool, and you would get over there to where the racer is, the Riptide Race. Tucked right in here, we have Malibu Pipeline. Now this is actually one of the easier rides to ride in the morning as well, because there's something about this water over here that it is always much warmer than any other slide you'll go on. But it is, you can ride single, I believe, or double. Yeah, you can ride single. So single or double. Most of it's in enclosed and open. But yeah, again, you land in about 3 foot of water there, but it's a pretty intense little ride. I went ahead and walked up here from Malibu Pipeline just to show you where the exit is. Where we came in was just on the other side of that landscaping there. They have a candy store right here with candy apples. There's the jet stream I just showed you. And Malibu Pipeline is down here to the right. There's the jet stream and the boardwalk grill. So we're going to go around this direction. We have some slides up in here, and there's another kiddie area that's kind of like a, I guess you'd say like a splash zone with the, they have all the slides and the sprayers and the bucket dropping and all that stuff. So I'll take a peek up there. Right here we have Big Daddy Falls, and it's a good little walk up through there, but Big Daddy Falls is a family raft ride. You can fit like 2 to 5 people in it depending on the weight. I actually saw 5 people get in it yesterday with some kids, so it is a great family raft ride, lots of fun for everyone to enjoy. That is up there, and then up here we have the H2O UFO. And there again is kind of a kiddie area with the sprayers and little slides and things to play on for the kids. So this is just right up past Big Daddy Falls, and you have the kids, just another fun thing for them to enjoy. Coming out from where Big Daddy Falls is, to the left we have the Nitro Racer Supercharged. We rode this yesterday. This just opened back up. Past members could ride early yesterday before anyone else could ride. It's basically your matte racer slides, so Tyler really enjoys those, but they've kind of revamped the whole area, added some theming, which is really cool. They added the times where each lane, you know, will give you your elapsed time. And they added a little victory lane picture spot up here, which was pretty cool. And everything looks really good. Again, this is Nitro Racer Supercharged. Continuing on around to our left, we have the Launch Pad Express Cafe. I think they have some pizza and pasta and stuff in there, if I'm not mistaken, because that's what it smells like right here is pizza, if y'all can smell it. We have aquazoid over there, and we do have the on ride for it. It's another pretty cool family raft ride. So several of you can ride in it. It's just a circular raft like that right there. And they actually revamped it. I think it was last year or the year before. Might have been the year before. I can't remember dates on all these things. But you go through, you got some cool disco lights and everything, where used to this was just a plain, totally dark, enclosed raft ride. So it's pretty cool now. We have another place for some drinks, Cosmic Cafe, and I guess the aquazoid now is called Aquazoid Amped. But you have to walk all up through there to get to Aquazoid. And let's make our way around to the remainder of the attractions and end at Hubba Hubba Highway. We've got Hubba Hubba Highway, Vanish Point, and Cutback Coaster over here. There's another, well, better view actually of the Nitro Racers. So you hear the little audio, so it's pretty cool. You got the got kind of an audience down there cheering you on. But it looks really good. They rebuilt the platform where you load and everything, and the steps going up. So again, that just opened up. Right here we have Vanish Point, and I think I'm not sure that it's open today. I know one side of it wasn't open yesterday. I'll show you a better view of it. It's a body slide, or well, several body slides. you have the drop tower, which is one of those that you stand on the platform and the bottom drops out from under you. It's got the same entrance here pretty much for the cutback water coaster. But as far as Vanish Point, you've got your choice. You've got the platform rides, and again, like I said, those are the ones you get in, you stand there, and you stand there all nervous just waiting for them to actually drop you. The platform drops out from under your feet. And then you have the actual drop slides in the middle. Right over there we have cutback water coaster. It's a really fun water coaster. Just prepare yourself. The only thing left after cutback water coaster is Hubba Hubba Highway. Here is another view of the cutback water coaster. Again, it's your water coaster where it's going to shoot you up through the, with the jets there. It's going to shoot you up and down through the slide. And turning around, the last spot down here is the Hubba Hubba Highway. This is where we usually come take our stuff because we're usually going to finish over here. They have a snack stand, some cabanas, so you can rent some of the cabanas. I figured I'd walk over here just to be able to show you. So you can have a life jacket, it's not required. You can get in without it, but it's easier to have it with you. I tried to show you everything that there is available here at Water Country USA. That gives you an idea of how to plan your day, but it's hot, and guess what? I'm going to get in the Hubba Hubba Highway because I know where to find Tyler. Thanks for joining us, and we will see you on the next one. Enjoy your day at Water Country when you visit. Bye.